Hello everyone, I am here with topic mechanism of condensation. In this topic, we first study aldol reaction or aldol condensation mechanism. In this, we want carbonyl compound when two molecule of aldehyde or ketone containing alpha hydrogen atom are condensed in presence of NaOH or any base to give beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxyketone aldol. Then this reaction is known as aldol condensation. So there is given the reaction of aldol reaction or aldol condensation or the formation of beta hydroxyaldehyde, and also given mechanism. The mechanism of aldol condensation takes place in the following steps. First step is this. Here base is ionized and form Na plus and OH minus, and after that next reaction is this, and there is carbanion form, and after that carbanion react together and form beta hydroxyaldehyde. Our next reaction, Claisen reaction, is also in this condensation of ethyl acetate with a strong base and give the formation of beta keto ester. So this is the reaction, and there is given whole mechanism of Claisen reaction, and this is our last product. After that we see Mannich reaction. Mannich reaction, in this also formation of this compound. This is also carbonyl compound, and there is given whole mechanism of Mannich reaction, and here we use reagent formaldehyde and NHMe whole twice, and as a catalyst HCl or H2O. Next we see another reaction, which is Van mechanism or Van reaction. In this benzaldehyde reaction, in the presence of cyanide gives Van. It is a condensation reaction, that's why it is called as Van condensation. And there is role of cyanide is it work as a good nucleophile or stabilize carbanion or act as a good leaving group. So there is also given the reaction of benzoin and whole mechanism of benzoin, and this is our last product. After that we see Perkins reaction. In this aromatic aldehyde, when heated with the anhydride of an aliphatic acid in the presence of its sodium potassium salt, result in condensation to form alpha beta unsaturated acid. For example, this is the aldehyde group, and this is anhydride, and heat at the in the presence of sodium acetate we got our product. And there is also given whole mechanism uh, how we get alpha beta unsaturated acid. So this is whole mechanism of Perkin reaction. Next our reaction is Staube reaction. In this reaction, condensation between diethyl succinate and aldehyde or ketone in the presence of base like sodium ethoxide to form a salt of alpha beta unsaturated ester. So this is the example of Staube reaction, and this is whole mechanism of Staube reaction. And this is our last product. Our next reaction is Neuville-Nasal reaction. In this reaction involves condensation between active methylene group and carbonyl group in the presence of base. Active methylene group compound possessing a methylene bridge located between two strong electron withdrawing group like NO2, COOH, CN. This forms carbanion easily. This is the example of Neuville-Nasal reaction, and this is our last product. And this base is pyridine, piperidine, NS3 or ETOH. So there is completed here, our topic is completed, and for more updates please like, subscribe and share my channel.